Nervous about English? Not anymore.
We'll double confidence in 30 days, and with fun. Ready? Hold up. Tell us in the comments. What was that awkward feeling? Now watch. We're going to fix it.
Welcome to English Daily Spark. Today, not just sentences, the mindset changes. I don't need to panic anymore.
My voice is worth listening to.
I am perfectly fine the way I am.
I have complete faith in myself.
I learn from my mistakes gracefully.
Come back. Did you say the first 5 sentences? If not, you're a runaway.
Hold on, Sam. Don't panic. The next set is even stronger. That's the confidence-building trick.
My effort is paying off.
Every new day is a fresh opportunity.
I am ready to move forward.
I am improving at my own pace.
I won't give up my courage today.
Okay, Sam, which sentence gave you the biggest aha moment?
That one. I am perfectly fine the way I am. I think my confidence just grew bigger than my t-shirt.
I will speak clearly and distinctly.
I speak while looking people in the eye.
I have the right to express my opinion.
People understand what I'm saying.
I can answer every question confidently.
Halfway, if your brain is tired, stop, drink water, and come back. Otherwise, confidence will run away.
Remember, a few mistakes are okay. Just don't stop speaking.
If I pause, I will simply start again.
I speak English without hesitation.
My English is getting better every day.
I actively participate in the conversation.
I'm ready to listen to others' opinions.
Sam, you know what? Your English now sounds like chocolate cake. It was a little raw before, now it's getting smooth.
Stop it, Amelia. I'm going to start speaking now before my confidence dies of hunger.
I will reach my goals, no matter what.
I am not afraid of challenges.
I have everything I need to succeed.
I am in control of my own life.
I am better than I was yesterday.
Last 5. These are the most important. Take a breath. If you can't speak now, you'll never speak.
Less drama, Sam. Just start speaking.
My hard work will be rewarded.
I view every failure as a new lesson.
My effort is never wasted.
People admire my dedication.
Today is the day of my victory.
If you enjoyed this dynamic session, don't forget to like the video. And come back daily, we'll practice every day.
Tell us in the comments, what was your favorite confidence sentence? See you in the next English Daily Spark. Bye.